In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Webflow site to another account. If you've been looking to hand over a Webflow project to another user or workspace, then you're in the right place. Whether you're a freelancer wrapping up a client project, or you're simply shifting between accounts, these steps will guide you smoothly through the transfer process. Firstly, let's open Webflow. Begin by navigating to Webflow's homepage. If you don't already have a Webflow account, click on the button that says it's free to sign up. You'll see options to create an account either using your email address and a custom password, or by signing in with your Google account. For those setting up a new account, make sure to create a strong, unique password. Once you're logged in, go straight to the site's dashboard. Next, you have a couple of ways to access the project transfer settings. You can either click the three dots icon next to the project you want to transfer, or use the gear icon visible at the upper right corner. This will lead you to the site settings page where you'll find the transfer options. In the settings, locate the transfer icon, click on it, and you'll notice that you have two choices here. If you decide to transfer the website to another user, click on the to a user option. You'll need to type in the recipient's email and then confirm the transfer by clicking on the blue button. Once you've entered the correct email, confirm the transfer by selecting the appropriate recipient. Alternatively, if you're transferring the project to another workspace instead of a user, select the to a workspace option. Complete the transfer process by clicking on Save. This step ensures that your site is now accessible to the designated user or workspace, where it can be further managed. After the transfer has been initiated, the next thing to do is finalize your publication settings. You'll need to click on Publish and then choose Publish to selected domains. Make sure everything is set as you want it on the new account. Publishing these changes ensures that the site is live and running smoothly under the new ownership. Lastly, once your site is published and you've confirmed that everything is set up correctly in the new account, a simple click on the Close button will wrap things up. This closes the project and takes you back to your main dashboard where you'll see your updated project list. And that's it. You've successfully transferred your Webflow site to another account or workspace. This process ensures a seamless transition, allowing the new user to continue working on the project without complications. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more Webflow tips and tutorials.